first and foremost in the country. In Winston, we want to incorporate a lot of with the curriculum of Fiji, enhance the other vision. United Fiji Community and Scouting has joint efforts.
Fiji that lives overseas, but their heart stays in Fiji with us. The second living.
Fond of it.
It's an addiction.
No, but it can be
It's a
good
modern
thing
addiction.
because you can teach like our 3-year-old. He does his homework through.
Sir, if you don't mind,
Yeah,
sir,
sure.
listen.